to Python Essentials. In this course, we'll be covering Python 3. So let's first understand what exactly Python is. Python is an object-oriented scripting language, and it was developed in the year 1989 by Guido van Rossum. So what is the difference between Python 3 and Python 2? In Python 3, everything is an object and print is a function. So here you'll be seeing parentheses with the print function. There's only one integer type in Python 3 and all text is now Unicode. There's no backward compatibility with Python 2, and more on this can be found on this documentation link python.org/doc, which you can see over here. Beginner's Guide, Python 2 or 3, Python FAQs, Moderate, and things like that. In this course, we will be taking a look at how we can write effective Python script, and for that, what basic knowledge is required. We'll be covering basic syntax, types and values, control statements, conditionals, loops, functions, object model, generator and decorator, and the module system that Python offers. We'll also be developing one small web application using Python to better understand and implement these basic building blocks of Python in real life scenario.